Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about the thinking processes or different types of thinking which can be used for the innovation purpose. In that case, there are basically these thinking process are classified into two types. One is vertical thinking and another one is lateral thinking. Vertical thinking can be considered as logical thinking and lateral thinking can be considered as creative thinking. There are different types of thinking depending on their characteristics, procedures, uses, and field of applications. And for innovation purpose, we require this logical thinking as well as creative thinking. If you go through this, you will see that types of thinking we are knowing: creative thinking, analytical thinking, critical thinking, concrete thinking, abstract thinking, and divergent and convergent thinking. These are the different types of thinking. Thinking methods are there. Whenever you want to think or on any problem, there are some methods are there. Out of which one is brainstorming. Brainstorming is the familiar and popular idea generating technique for groups. Useful in all stages of larger problem solving process, brainstorming is entirely divergent. Entirely divergent. It is a brainstorming process is a idea generating technique from the groups, which is going to be used for solving the different problems. Carrot. A formal version of Carrot involves creative cram session over a number of days in which architects, their creative suppliers, municipal officials, developers, and residents participate. Such sessions are called as inquiry by design. It is a Carrot involves creative cram session, which is generally applied to civil area, or in government officials. In government officials, this type of thinking method is going to be used. Creative problem solving. Since the arrival of new classical as Osborne, Parner's structure, parent structures, any number of academic and business entitles have resorted and renamed and stages of phases of what we call creative problem solving process. Dialectical approaches. Several problem solving approaches use debate to eliminate assumptions and to generate original ideas. काही डिस्कशन करून, हेल्दी डिस्कशन्स करून त्याच्यामधले जे ॲझम्शनचे कुठल्या एखाद्या ॲझम्शनवर बोलण्यापेक्षा काही त्याच्यावरती विचार करून एक प्रॉब्लेमवरती सोल्युशन काढण्यासाठीचा एक ॲप्रोच आहे, ज्याच्यावरती डिबेट म्हटलं जातं. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डिबेट. त्याच्यामुळं खरी आयडिया काय आहे ती बाहेर येते. सिन्स problem solving process, creative problem solving process is generally used in all businesses. This method is going to be used in all businesses in which a number of Osborne parents, a new classical Osborne parent structure is going to be used. म्हणजेच काय, त्याच्यामध्ये क्रिएटिव्ह थिंकिंगमध्ये सगळ्यांचं परत इट इज अ ग्रुप टेक्निक मेथड असे, पण त्याच्यामधलं पण इंडिव्हिज्युअल कोण काय करू शकतो, तो कसा विचार करू शकतो हे त्याच्यावरती लिहिलेलं आहे. अँड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग मेथड इज द इफ ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ॲनालिसिस ऑफ फॅक्ट्स टू फॉर्म अ जजमेंट. एखादं काही जजमेंट करताना खरंच काय आहे त्याचं ॲनालिसिस करून त्याचं विचार करणं हे फार जरुरी असतं. क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इज सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन, सेल्फ मॉनिटर्ड and self-corrective thinking. It entails effective communications and problem solving abilities, as well as commitment to overcome our native egocentrism or sociocentrism. This is called as critical thinking. Daydreaming is another method. It is a method of following self-thought one after another, make one drifts in stream of ideas which eventually take a conical shape. A conic shape which seemingly started as random thoughts and will end as a tip of the cone that is ultimate idea. म्हणजे आपण विचार करतो आहे, डे ड्रीम म्हणजे स्वप्न पडणं प्रकार म्हणतो. जशा हिशोबाने आपण प्रत्येक गोष्टीवरती त्याचा विचार करतो आहे आणि विचार करत करत खाली भरपूर विचार आहेत, त्याच्यातनं कमी डायल्यूट करून मग हा ह्याच्यातलं चांगलं असं वरती केल्यानंतर वरती ज्यावेळेला टॉपला येईल, पॉईंटच असतो, कोन वरल्यानंतर इट इज अ पॉइंटेड, आणि त्या कोनच्या वरती जो असेल दॅट विल बी ॲन युनिक आयडिया. ती एकदम व्यवस्थित चांगली आयडिया असेल. अँड फोर्स फेज ॲनालिसिस आयडेंटिफाईज कॉम्पिटिंग फोर्सेस असोसिएटेड विथ प्रॉब्लेम अँड युजेस. फोर्थ इनोव्हेशन मेथड is a customer oriented, inspiring, a practical innovation method in 5 steps to create new products and services. Within 14 weeks of the kickoff, you create 4 mini businesses cases with a cross functional team. Interactive planning and idealized design. Interactive planning, as defined and disseminated by Russell L. Ackoff, focuses on creating the future by designing a desirable present. Next is KJ method. KJ method was developed as the affinity diagram by Jiro Kawakita in 1960s and has become one of the 7 management and planning tools used in total quality control, TQC. TQM, total quality management, TQM म्हटलं जातं किंवा total quality control. Lateral thinking is the deliberate, systematic, creative thinking process that deliberately looks at challenges from completely different angle. Micro-reality, morphological analysis, productive thinking and mind mapping are another methods which can be used. Now there is 6 thinking hats. The 6 thinking hats method identifies 6 modes of thinking which are meant to be directed in parallel at the problem at hand. This parallel thinking approach proactively discourages and replaces the augmentative approach in which members of a group advocate for opposing solutions. त्यातली मेथडमधले जे आहेत म्हणजे जे जनरेटर आहेत, म्हणजे त्याला आपण हे तुमचे झाल्यानंतर रँडम वर्ड जनरेटर असतं. म्हणजे तुम्ही काही गोष्टीचं नुसतं नावावरनं कुठल्या मेथड्स आहेत, थिंकिंग मेथड्स आहेत, त्याच्यावर थिंकिंग करण्याची, विचार करण्याची पद्धत आहे, त्याच्यावर आपल्याला जावं लागणार आहे. यूजिंग random word operator is an easy way to force your mind out of its normal routine and off into tangents it otherwise would not have taken. Scamper is an acronym for 7 thinking techniques that help those who use them come up with untypical solutions to problems. The thinking techniques are so common to human creative behavior that it might be more accurate to call scamper. A mnemonic for the collection of techniques rather than rather than rather than the techniques on its own. Now we will discuss with 6 thinking hats. The 6 thinking hats method identifies 6 modes of thinking which are meant to be directed in parallel at the problem at hand. This parallel thinking approach proactively discourages and replaces the argumentative approach in which members of a group advocate for opposing solutions. म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये जे आहे तुमचे प्रॉब्लेम्स चालू जाणार आहेत त्याच्याबरोबर थिंकिंग पण होणार आहे पण जे आर्ग्युमेंट करून आपण आर्ग्युमेंट करायचं आणि मग त्याच्यानंतर थिंकिंगचा अप्रोच करून तुम्हाला जे आहे थिंकिंगचं आहे त्याच्या हिशोबाने आपण आर्ग्युमेंट करण्याच्याऐवजी म्हणजे कुठल्याही याला सोल्युशनला अपोज करण्याच्याऐवजी आपण वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने 6 मेथड्स आहेत त्याच्या हिशोबाने आपण त्याच्यावर विचार केलं तर थिंकिंग होऊ शकतं. नेक्स्ट इज SWOT analysis is well known as business tool for planning but can find that very useful generally in thinking. Synectics, the basics of synectics lies in the meaning of the name. Throughout the synectics session, the facilitator is responsible for bringing together and guiding a diversity of people, their divergent ideas and random simulations. System thinking, trees, vertical thinking. These are all are different thinking methods which is going to be used in the type thinking procedure. Vertical thinking is a type of approach to problems that usually involves one being selective and analytical and sequential. Vertical thinking refers to a way of analyzing, processing, and using information in a logical pattern or direct way. Vertical thinkers prefer to rely on external data and facts in order to avoid failure or counterfactual thinking. There isn't much more room for creativity here. Vertical thinking is also called as logical thinking. Vertical thinking is a selective, moves only if there is a direction in which to move, and also in sequential. Vertical thinking is a method of thinking in very linear, selective pathways. Each step is precise, necessary, and must be correct. The way of thinking by exact and logical reasoning of the situation and solve the problem in direct ways. Characteristics of vertical thinking are emphasize logic, proven solutions, emphasize reason, it is based on analysis, useful in mathematics, emphasize on processes, the objective is to reach valid conclusion, and steps are sacred, not related with other approaches. It is based on evidence. Your goal is to find a solution. It is relative thinking, reactive thinking. Structured encourages the sequential approach that logical approach follows most likely. Then parallel thinking, another way. So we will continue in next lecture. Okay, and tomorrow we will see about 6 hat thinkings, 6 hat process of 6 thinking or 6 thinking processes. We will see in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you.